I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Fortnite crashing issue, so make sure to follow my steps. For the first step, so make sure to close the Epic Games launcher. After that, go to this upside arrow in the Windows taskbar, right click on the Epic Games icon appearing and select exit. If you can't find it, right click on this Windows taskbar and select Task Manager. Now go to the search and type in Epic Games, select it, right click and select in task. That way ensure that Epic Games is no longer running in the background. So for the next step, go to this Windows search bar and type in Device Manager. Once opened, go to Display Adapters and open this side arrow. Now select your graphics card, which is NVIDIA or AMD, right click and select Update Driver, select Search Automatically for drivers and then click on Close. Do the same thing for the processors, open it, select any one you want, right click, Update Driver, search automatically for drivers and then close. For the next step, if you do have an NVIDIA graphics card, just type in NVIDIA. You should find this NVIDIA app displaying. So if you don't have the NVIDIA, alternatively, you should open the AMD app. In the other hand, if you do have the NVIDIA graphics card and you can't find this appearing, you should just go to the NVIDIA official website and download it. Make sure to install it, set it up, and then come back here, open it. Now, all you have to do is to sign up with an account. After that, go to the left menu and select on the drivers icon, and from here you should just select the install and download, leave it as default and select continue in order to initiate the process. Now for the next step, go open the Epic Games launcher. Now go to your library, search for Fortnite. Once done, you can see these three dots appearing under the picture. Click that. Now select on this manage option appearing right here. After that, make sure to click on this verify button displaying. That way any file that is responsible for the crashing issue will be automatically fixed. Don't worry about anything else. To check if that works, you can see the download manager right here in the bottom left corner. When you click it, you should find the Fortnite game is downloading some files. Don't worry about that, just wait for the process to finish. After that, close everything. Before doing the last step, go to the Windows icon right here and then go to settings, go to the left menu and select Windows Update and make sure to download and install the latest updates you will find. Check if you do have any failed updates, make sure to select retry all. And lastly, you just need to go to the Windows icon once again and then all you have to do is to restart your computer. Hope this video is helpful. Consider like and subscribe if you found it helpful and see you on the next one.